Push off. The Pacific awaits.
You are a horrible person.
You know, charm yourself.
Oh, whoa, that stung.
Here, we're going to replace a defective smoke detector that was taken down.
Entire self-absorbed life.
And to think I was this close to inviting you to join us in the
Things in
jacuzzi.
the box here.
Oh, there isn't enough penicillin in the world. No, wait. No, don't untie the boat. Excuse me, wait, excuse me.
And they put
Captain,
the box
I'm
above
still
here,
on
and that's
board.
not how it goes.
Women adore me. I'm charming and fit.
Do you have a knife?
You are a
Kitchen
vain, empty little man who'd be nothing without his daddy's money. No! Oh, you've got to be kidding me! Oh, wait!
But it's
Okay, so we're going to cut out around where the box is.
No, I am not going anywhere until you or one of your butlers or bimbos writes me a check.
Fine. Next stop, San Francisco.
Fine. I'll be a pain in your ass for the next 12 hours.
I guess I didn't do this
Got a
wrong.
box
No,
up here.
you didn't.
I can't believe you're making me do this.
What the hell is wrong with you? Wait, my equipment!
Of course. Here you are.
No, it's very expensive!
Here.
Wait, look at something. Your bucket. Catch.
And just so you know,
Our trip
my
wire
life
here.
is not empty. Everyone wants my life because it's meaningful.
I hate
And we
you!
pull the wire out of our... So we're just going to cut down around inside the box here so that the box can stay up here.
And now I owe
There
the cleaning
we go.
company $3,000 for a new machine. And they fired me.
Okay, so we'll take
Leonardo
and we'll
Montenegro.
get our new wires.
Says here he's the son of the third
We're
richest man
taking
in
this
the
down
world.
because it's not compatible with what we have here.
Babe, showing
And
up.
we have
Hey,
our
hey, hey.
three
This is for the crew, right? Not their
orange
boss.
What about, babe? I lost
wire
8 pounds.
caps
Pretty
up
soon I'm
here.
breaking out my skinny shirts. All right.
So we're going to install the BRK smoke detector. Beautiful day out there, isn't it?
$42. I need to get another job. Like tonight. Bobby, are you hiring?
Yeah, sure. You can all join back in the concrete all day.
And I will show you the instructions.
College, and somebody bought a boat.
Come on, babe. We're gonna relitigate this. I paid significantly below market for that boat. I had to buy it. It was a steal.
Why am I even trying to be a nurse? I'm going to be delivering pizzas and cleaning carpets for the rest of my life.
Hey, don't say that. Hey, look. I've got it. It makes everything just a little bit better. I promise.
No, it doesn't.
No.
Okay, so we'll put our wires on here first. So we'll pull our little caps off here. We'll get our insulation even at the top and our copper even at the bottom. So I'm going to strip these wires a little longer. Alright, I can...
Oops.
Okay, so
Don't turn off.
Your equipment?
My condom door's empty. I'll fix this. I've told him how to
this
beat
is
it
a
up. For the 90
interconnected
minutes,
detector, so we're going to take our rubber cap off here.
What am I paying these people for?
Strip our wires so we have a nice
Veuillez-moi vite.
connection up here. So first we'll hook up our
Hola, papi.
orange is our trip wire.
No, todo bien.
So we will hook it to our red wire. So we get our insulation, even at the bottom here. Oops, where did I put my wire nuts? Okay, they're in my pocket. Okay, so we'll put our get our insulation even at the bottom here. We'll wrap our strands around our solid wire like that. Put our wire nut on, make sure insulation goes up into the bottom of the wire nut. Okay, there's our trip wire. We'll pull this up into our box, which is above our ceiling here.
Todo bajo control, papi.
Okay, we'll put our white with the white. Get our insulation even at the bottom here. Take our strands. We'll wrap them around our solid wire like this. Get our insulation even up here and our copper even down here. Put our wire nut on. Make sure insulation goes up into the bottom of the cap. And this. Put our white wire into our box here.
No,
And
yo
now
te
we'll
lo
hook our
llevo
black wire up, which is our hot wire. We'll put our insulation even here. Get our insulation even at the bottom there. Wrap our strands around like this. See how our copper is even at the bottom here and our insulation is even at the top. Stick our wire nut on.
What? You didn't check True. I got mine for 155. You have to check your
Make sure our insulation is up in the wire nut, and we can put our wire up into our box like this.
Even if it is look, same $100 left. You didn't check True. I didn't check.
Now we'll put our base back up here. Line it up and lock our screws
If you're
and
unable to work,
notches that
denied,
hold
a Linsky Law Group can help
the
you with the
detector into
benefits
place.
you deserve. A denial is not the end, it's the beginning. Our team of attorneys and representatives can help you every step of the way
Okay,
and do
so-
what's on the to help you win.
We have a little paper tab here for our battery backup. We'll just
We know how to navigate through
pull
the
that
rules and
out.
regulations of the Social Security Administration.
And we'll
how
plug our
the Linsky Law.
back into here.
Disability law is all we do.
Line the key up like this.
Lactate is 100% real milk, just without the lactose. Delicious
Snap it
too.
in and make sure you see this little
Nothing
tab
like
go
enjoying
down in
cold
all the
one
way.
while watching the game.
And we'll just simply put it up on our box again like
Who's
this.
with it? We are, my friend. We are.
And then just
Arthritis
lock it
pain?
into place
We
like
say,
that. And
not
now we'll go
today.
to our second
10-hour,
detector.
8-hour arthritis pain has 2 layers of relief. The first is fast. The second is long-lasting. We give you your day back, so you can give it.
Okay, I'm ready to go in the other room.
Doctor recommends for arthritis pain.
Okay, so we will start with we're taking down our older previous base plate up here. Okay, so we'll disconnect our older, that's our trip wire. This is our neutral. And this is our live wire here. We have to put the right connector up here for our detector. This is the one that's going to be interconnected with the other one, the new replacement. So we'll get our wires prepped. We're going to clip off our orange cap because we're interconnecting. We'll strip them a little bit longer than from the factory so we get a nice wrap around the solid wire and a very nice connection. Like this. Get them stripped longer. So we'll take our orange wire, we'll hook it to our red, which is our trip wire, so we get our insulation even at the top like this. We'll wrap our strands around our solid wire like this, get our copper even at the bottom and our insulation even at the top here. Make sure they're even like that. Take our orange wire nut, we'll make sure our insulation is going up into the bottom of the wire nut, which it is. So we can fold our trip wire into the box. Now the black is our live, and our white is our neutral. So our conductors are even at the top here, and our insulation is even at the bottom, so we get our insulation even at the top. We'll wrap our strands around our solid wire so everything is even at the bottom here with the copper, and all our insulation is even at the top here. Take our wire nut on here. Make sure it's tight. And our black wire is the hot wire. So we'll just do the same thing, get our insulation even at the top. Wrap our strands around our solid wire like that so that our copper is even on the bottom and our insulation is even at the top. Take our wire nut and we will make sure it gets on nice and tight here. Okay, now we can put our wires up into our box. Make sure they're up out of the way here. So when we put our plate back up here, we're going to put our new plate up. We're just looking to make sure insulation is all up inside our wire nuts here. If our insulation is up inside the wire nut, now we'll put our hot wires up into our box here. And we'll put our plate up here. Turn it so it's locked in where we want it. And we'll just tighten our screws. Okay. So again, we'll pull out our plastic tab here for the battery for keeping it from discharging while it's in shipment. And we'll line our plug up and put it in. So you just line it up like this. You just make sure it snaps in like that. You just simply put your wires up into the box. Set your detector on the bracket and just turn it and put it up into place. So now I'll show you the box and the instructions.
Will vote on primary day next Tuesday. The Onondaga County Board of Elections saying on X that out of their 5 a.m. As a reminder, early voting continues until Sunday, June 22nd. Primary day is Tuesday, June 24th. For more information, visit our website at Since. Neighbors tried to reach him but couldn't rescue him in time. News Channel 9's Victoria Kellogg takes us to Tully Lake, where crews have
search crews are still out on Tully Lake searching for the body. Neighbors on shore saw the man plunge into the live for decades.
So there is the wiring diagram.
Firefighters rushed in from 14 different agencies.
For interconnected.
Neighbors were already helping.
Here is the assembly instructions for interconnected. Single station, you'll just leave that little cap on the orange wire and hook up the black and the white. And you can just pause the video to zoom in and read the instructions.